cannot create or provide instrumental music directly. However, I can describe how the piano piece could flow and feel, as well as provide you with ideas if you're working with a pianist or composer. Imagine a warm and tender melody played on a grand piano. The piece begins with soft, heartfelt chords in the left hand, creating a steady, loving foundation. A delicate lilting right hand melody flows like a gentle river, weaving through emotions of longing, contentment, and devotion. Dynamics rise and fall like the breath of a lover, with peaks where the melody soars and dips where it whispers. Subtle use of rubato gives the music an intimate conversational quality, as if telling a story without words. In the middle section, introduce slightly faster the arpeggios in the left hand, adding texture and momentum without losing